put that tire right there.
Oh.
There you go, come on. Now what you do, I don't know. We're good. Yeah, put that, keep hugging this side. Yeah, get around that. Yeah! Yeah, put your hand out, that's good. I got it. Alright, straighten her out.
That's just a frame.
That's just a frame on this side.
What is it?
It's a frame, you're good. That's a new sound for you, isn't it? It's a normal sound for me.
Hey, hold on a second. Let me,
Are you gonna cheat?
Whoa, careful. You alright?
Yeah, I'm good. It was like slippery right there. I should have brought my hiking boots. I brought the wrong shoes.